Hello, dear traders. WinOptionCrypto Company is with you. In publications on our website and in video reviews, we not only review new trading indicators for binary options and Forex, but also offer you ready-made templates for MetaTrader 4, which already include optimal parameter settings for various trading strategies created and tested by our company's analysts. And in order to independently use both indicators and ready-made templates in binary options trading and the Forex market, it is very important to be able to correctly install them into the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and our short video instructions will help you do this quickly and accurately. To get started, find the indicator you need on our website and download it. It's very easy to do. At the end of each article, we provide a link to download the archive, which contains the indicator files along with our template. Indicators in the archive are located in the Indicators subfolder in the MQL4 folder, and customized templates from our company are in the Templates folder. And here it is necessary to note that indicators can have MQL4 and X4 extensions. The MQL4 format means that the indicator is open source, and experienced traders can make changes to its algorithm. But most often you will find indicators with the EX4 extension. So, for example, we select a strategy or indicator on the website. This one, for example, Coron FX. And at the bottom of the article there is a download button. Click and download the folder we need and unpack it. Now go to the MetaTrader 4 terminal and open the File menu and select Open Data Directory. In the window that opens, we will be interested in the same two folders as in our archive. The MQL4 folder, which contains the Indicators subfolder with files of various indicators, and the Templates folder, which contains templates for our indicator. We copy all the files in the Indicators and Templates folders from the archive into the same folders in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. You can copy all the files much faster. Just select the folders in our archive and move them to the root folder of the MetaTrader 4 data directory. And when the system asks you to replace files when copying, click the Replace button. After copying the files to enable them, be sure to restart the MetaTrader 4 terminal by closing and reopening it. In order to find and activate the indicator on the chart of the selected asset in the terminal, click on the Navigator tab or use the Ctrl-N keyboard shortcut. Find the indicator you need, double-click on it, or drag it onto the chart. In the indicator window that opens, you can configure the parameters according to your requirements. After setting, click OK and the indicator will be added to the chart. To apply our template with ready-made settings, right-click on the chart and then select the desired template from the list. Please note that for all indicators and strategies, our ready-made templates already have optimal settings, which allow you to immediately start testing indicators on a demo account. Or start real binary options trading. Be sure to follow the rules written in our reviews. If you have any questions while watching this video, feel free to contact us in the comments. Thank you for attention. Happy trading!